What's up guys, it's Andrew from Seemu Apps here, and today is an update on the Seemu channel in 2018. So as you guys may have noticed, I probably haven't posted a video or anything for 8 months. The reason for that is I started a new job that's been pretty hectic, pretty crazy, some pretty intense hours and crazy projects, but that's gonna calm down a bit now, so I'm gonna have more free time. And in addition to that, within my free time, I've been focusing on a few other side projects as well. So for example, I'm pretty interested in cryptocurrency and a blockchain. I'm pretty keen to actually learn development for that. I have started a YouTube channel up around cryptocurrency, which if you're interested, you can see in the description below. And I'm also going to look into actually learning to develop my own blockchain app soon. So pretty keen to check that out. Number 2, I've actually started developing my first personal iOS app in 4 years. So for the past 3-4 years, all my development has been for enterprise, for work. So whether that be websites, apps, technical implementations of products and so on, it's all been for corporate. I haven't really done anything personally. And what I find is the stuff I learn, I then share to my YouTube channel. So since I haven't done anything for a while, I haven't had anything to share. There's been a few things that I do want to improve on. So for example, I started my Build YouTube series, so I want to finish that off. And I also want to look into Firebase, because that's also quite a popular topic. Anyhow, I've got some videos coming soon around core machine learning, building out your own custom models and so on, so pretty pumped about that. So there will be some more videos, not as much as there were previously because of the other side projects I'm focusing on, but keep an eye out for that. And I might look into actually live streaming some of my app creation process. So I kind of want to give you guys a peek behind the scenes about actually creating apps, like the process. Like, it looks super easy. Some of my videos I might do in 20 minutes and you're like, whoa, that's amazing, how do you remember all that? Well, that's something that happens over time. You do remember certain easy things, but other things can take quite a long time, and I kind of want to show you guys how long it can actually take. It's nothing crazy, but you can see the frustrations that every developer goes through when actually building something. And finally, I've got one more piece of news to announce, is that I'm building a new course, and the new course is actually more focused around the business side of actually being a developer or technical person. So essentially what this means is around your resume, your LinkedIn, how you present yourself, and all that cool stuff. So I've got about 70% of the course all written out, filmed about 20% of it. So going to continue on that with my free time. I don't really have any release date set for that now because, you know, my free time can go up and down like this, and I've got so many projects I want to focus on. So what I find, I've got to focus on 1 or 2 at a time. So if I try and spread my time throughout them all, it's just absolutely too much and I can't do it. So keep an eye out for that. And I also want to release some more videos around this area. So that might be interviewing, how to get a job, what's the best programming language to learn, and all kind of great things like that that you don't really get taught and you just kind of pick up over time. So pretty keen to share that knowledge as well, because I work in consulting, which essentially means you've got to be like both technical and also pretty people savvy to a certain level depending on what you're doing. So I kind of want to share my knowledge that I've learned around that area. So let me know your guys' thoughts if you have any below, and I'll catch you guys soon. I've built a tutorial for core machine learning, so that's going to be coming in the next few days. You can build your own custom model and completely train it from scratch yourself to recognize any image you want it to recognize. So pretty excited to release that one. Catch you guys later.